Hello everyone, this is Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2025 Harris 250 Cruiser. It's got the matte silver finish. It's got the powder coated black fencing. It's got the 327 chassis, which gives you the 27-inch tunes. Equipped with a Mercury 300. Coming up on the back of the boat, you've got the lily pad, easy step. You got the safety railing and ski bar, which allows you to sit on the back of the boat. It does have a dual helm. Coming up on the captain's seat, you've got your bolster, along with your SIMRAD, JL audio, 6 speakers, phone charger. Does have the lighting package. Plenty of room up front. Cup holders on both sides with the USB. Does have a ski locker with a light. Both of your seats will swivel. And it does come with a powered top. Thank you for watching. Joel Hawk, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, 573-258-5778. Thank you.